AEG dishwasher not draining properly? You're not alone. Drainage problems account for 35 to 40% of all dishwasher service calls, making this one of the most common appliance issues homeowners face. Before diagnosing any dishwasher problem, safety must come first. Always disconnect the power supply and turn off the water supply to prevent electrical shock or water damage during your inspection. Start your diagnosis with a thorough visual inspection. Open the dishwasher door and check for standing water in the bottom of the tub. Look for visible food debris, examine if the spray arms can move freely, and note any unusual odors that might indicate drainage problems. Filter cleaning is the most critical step, as clogged filters cause 60% of all drainage issues. Remove the bottom dish rack to access the filter system at the bottom of the tub. The filter typically consists of a cylindrical fine filter and a coarse filter underneath. Carefully unscrew the cylindrical filter and lift out the coarse filter. Rinse both components thoroughly with warm water and use a soft brush to remove stubborn food debris. Reinstall the filters in reverse order, ensuring they're properly seated. Next, inspect the drain hose connection under your kitchen sink. The drain hose must be installed at the proper height, 20 to 24 inches above the floor, to prevent backflow and ensure proper drainage. Check the hose for kinks, bends, or blockages that could restrict water flow. Verify that all connections are secure and that the hose maintains a proper high loop to prevent siphoning and backflow from the sink drain. If you have a newer AEG dishwasher manufactured after 2023, take advantage of the improved diagnostic systems. These models feature enhanced error codes that can specifically identify drainage problems, making troubleshooting much more precise. Finally, test the drain pump by running a drain cycle and listening carefully for unusual noises. Grinding, clicking, or no sound at all may indicate pump problems. If the pump runs but water doesn't drain, or if you detect electrical burning smells, it's time to contact a certified technician. Following these systematic diagnostic steps will resolve most AEG dishwasher drainage issues. Remember, regular filter maintenance prevents 60% of these problems, making it the most important preventive measure you can take. When basic troubleshooting methods fail to resolve drainage issues, it's time to examine more advanced problems and implement comprehensive preventive maintenance strategies. The drain pump is the heart of your dishwasher's drainage system. Most AEG drain pumps have an average lifespan of 7 to 10 years, after which mechanical wear and electrical components begin to fail. Advanced pump diagnostics involve 3 key approaches. First, listen carefully during the drain cycle for grinding, squealing, or clicking sounds that indicate mechanical wear. Second, visually inspect the pump for cracks or corrosion. Third, technical users can test the pump motor's electrical resistance to identify electrical failures. Hard water significantly impacts pump performance. Studies show that dishwashers in hard water areas experience 3 times higher pump failure rates due to mineral buildup. This corroded heating element demonstrates the destructive effects of mineral deposits. Regular descaling programs can reduce these failure rates by 70%. A comprehensive maintenance schedule is essential for preventing drainage issues. Clean filters weekly to prevent blockages. Use cleaning tablets monthly to remove buildup. Inspect hoses quarterly for wear and proper positioning. Schedule annual professional service for models over 5 years old. This routine reduces service calls by 65% and extends pump life by 40%. Modern AEG dishwashers feature the Connect Life app, which provides advanced monitoring capabilities. The app offers real-time drainage system monitoring, predictive maintenance alerts that notify you before problems occur, and remote diagnostic capabilities that allow technicians to assess issues without home visits. It also tracks performance history and sends maintenance reminders. When professional help is needed, expect service calls to cost between 120 and 180 euros. Pump replacement ranges from 150 to 250 euros, while complete system overhauls can cost 300 to 450 euros. Invest in quality maintenance products like these cleaning tablets, which provide a year's supply of monthly treatments to prevent costly repairs. Advanced troubleshooting and preventive maintenance are essential for long-term dishwasher performance. Monitor your pump's age and performance, address hard water issues proactively, follow a comprehensive maintenance schedule, utilize smart monitoring technology, and don't hesitate to contact certified technicians when problems persist. These strategies will maximize your dishwasher's lifespan and minimize costly repairs.